Show me 10 19 back to pull and check the vehicle. Be advised something is wrong with my unit. It's 5 deceleration. Where's the other side? What you got? Oh yeah, we got 24. Get the money. What's that? Whatever, kid. We're coming back up on 17th and Blake. We're going to be on West 17th. We're turning back south on Blake. I think you had a blow right here in front of the 50 mile cabin. 20 in the Blake. Speeds are now 70 miles an hour. Got some troopers out too, by the way. They can get them hit it. 10-4 in Miramar and Bay. Speeds are now 50 miles an hour. We just ran a stop sign right here. Still heading. Troopers are there for fixing Blake. We got a trooper coming up there. K9 troopers gonna see what you know, K9. Allow the troopers to take the lead so they can hit. 28 in Edgewood, speeds are now still 40 miles an hour. Pretty good, you're passing your convoy. Close to 28 in Camden, speeds of 65 miles an hour. The M-Lock speeds are now 80 miles an hour. To 11 where you at? You get on the radio, you get 28th in the gas. Coming up, he's coming up on the town. He's coming up behind you. I need y'all to stay off the radio while I'm trying to call this. We on Kingwood and Fountain headed back towards Blake. Speeds are now 60 miles an hour. He's coming to you now. $25 on dispatch. Coming up on Blake now. Be advised, I got a 90 crime scene out here. On call 400 unit out here also. Can you get off of this channel? We're trying to call this damn pursuit. Stay off the channel. We're in 211. Where you at? On Road to Miramar, headed towards 17th and Hazel. Speeds are now 80 miles an hour. I'm behind the troopers. In Miramar, speed 70 miles an hour. Approaching the railroad crossing right here on 17th. Ain't take her ear in the late now. Niggas gonna be rolling. Time up on. Troopers attempting to get him out. He's gonna be right here at Palm 17th and Palm. Heading through the lights right here at 17th and Hazel. Headed east from Hazel. Speeds are 80 miles an hour. We get 211. Come here, 400 units. Get off the radio. 7 pounds left. I got him stopped at 16th and Ash. 10-4, stop at 16th and Ash. Left pound left, 210, 15. We got 16 and Ash. Cut your sirens if you're on 6-8.
Listen!